Good morning, dear students. In the previous session, we had learned about what we call modules. One program I had seen. Now there are two types of the heading. Import a module importation is done in two types. That is one by using import statement. Another one by from import statement. From import statement. There are two ways to import modules. Here, the full module is going to be extracted. Here, the full module is going to be extracted. Here, a single or only particular function will be extracted. What do you mean by the models? Models are nothing but a libraries where we are going to store the functions of the head. Where we are going to write the functions. There are two kinds of modules. One is a user-defined modules, and the one is built-in modules. In built-in modules, we have learned about a print and input functions. So here we are going to learn the user-defined function, user-defined modules. Every Python source code is known as a module. That means whatever you written in the Python code, that Python code will be acted as a module for other. On the Python program that Python program will be module for some other programs. It may be, may not be. Are you clear with it? Raise your hand if it is clear. Clear ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. Well, we had written display employee name. We had written a program on display employee name, employee with along with the message, that is a greetings. That is example for import statement. That is example for import statement. Now in today's class we are going to learn about from import statement. What is the syntax of this one? What is the syntax of this one? Syntax will be like this. More than one modules you can import. Import module 1, comma module 2 up to module n. Yes. Import statement is import module 1. You can import module 1, module 2. That is more than one modules you can import anta artha. Okay. Next. After this we need to learn this one. From import statement. Let us learn in today's class what it will be doing. Okay. Okay, let us learn the thing that is second one, from import. Well, by the example, by the syntax we are going to see it. By the syntax we are going to see here. Okay. First we learn the syntax. From, we need to write a from there. Okay. We need to write a from. Syntax prakaram. Syntax from where? From module. It may be module 1, module 2, module 3, whatever it may be. Okay. Module 1. From module. Module 1 from module. Import. From module. Import. What I need to import now? This module may contain function 1, function 2, function 3. Function 1, function 2, function 3. Assume that this completely having the three functions. Okay, completely having the three functions. So I required importing these functions from the module. I need to import one of these functions. That is, I may ask function 1. I may import function 2. I may import up to function n. Okay. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ from the module import a particular function you are telling. Only use this statement. The statement will be used only if you know the modularity. ಅಂದ್ರ ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. or else import ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಒಳಗ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದಾವ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. or else ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್. import complete module. Okay, got it. Now let us see the example. For it. That is program. I'll write a program here. First I will write as calculation dot py. Here I will add def sum a comma b and that def sum of a comma b. I have added. Okay, wait for a while. Next I need to return something here. Return, it will be here in the s. Return a plus b. Return a plus b. In the calculation, one function I have declared here, that is def sum a comma b. These are the formal parameters. After fetching the formal parameters, the value will be added, then it will be returned. Okay, the same thing with multiplication. Def multiplication a comma b colon return a star b. What happens here? I think it is shining. Right here. Return a star b. I think it is visible. Raise your hand if it is visible. Dear students, raise your hand if it is visible. Okay. What happens here? I am using this one from module. Okay. Completely I will store this one. Calculation.py store ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ. I will write a program here itself. Okay, what I am going to do, sum.py addition anna ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ sum.py. What I need to do now, I need to take from which module, my dears? From which module? This is a module, calculation. From calculation import. See here, from the calculation module, it contains of two functions. One is sum, another one is multiplication. What your program is doing? Summation. Okay, addition ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. So which function I need to call here? That is sum. From the calculation, import sum. Why? I am performing the sum only. Okay. From calculation, import which module, which function I am to import. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅದ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ದಿಂದ ಏನು ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. from calculation sum. From calculation sum. Clear it is? Clear it is? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಈ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. A, I need to give value for A and B. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Okay. A equal to B equal to. See here. The input function we need to use here. The input function we need to use here. I will use input enter A value. Enter A value. Enter A value, double quote, complete. Okay. Again here I am going to write input enter B value, enter B value, complete. See my dear students, what happening here? I am using the value, I am using the input function to store the value. But input function one disadvantage ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it will accept the things, it will accept the input from the user as a string. Lakshya, always it is going to accept the values as a string. So we need to typecast here. What kind of values we need? We need integer type. So I will do it as int of this one. Andra, whatever you will get enter value, that will be taken as a string. After that, it will be converted as a int. Are you clear with it? Are you clear with it? Raise your hand. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಾತೀನಿ? ಏನಾಗ್ತದಂದ್ರ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತದ. ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತದ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. We need to interact with the integer. So here I will do it as int of. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೋ int ಟೈಪಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ next it will be given to the A. Same thing with B. Int of. Clear it is? Now what I am going to do is just I will call this function. By passing this print the summation is equal to sum of A comma B. Sum of A comma B. The output will be like this. We'll see. As an interpreter, I am going to see it. Now we'll trace the program. As an interpreter, if assume that I am an interpreter, I will just read this one. From, yes. Here user is importing something. From where the user is going to be? Calculation. Next I will jump to the calculation. What I need to import? Input sum. Whether the calculation is containing sum? Yes, it is containing sum. It is containing sum here. So I will call this one. Here I need to pass a A and B. So I will come here again. A. User will enter a value. User again display ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ na message. Enter A value. Enter A value. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಮ್ಮ? A value ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 20. Enter B value equal to ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. Enter B value. Enter B value as 10. What will be the sum? I'll pass A value as 20, B value as 10. It will be passed here 20, 10. 20 plus 10 will be returned as 30. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Sum is equal to 30 will be the output. Sum is equal to 30. Okay, clear it is? The program is clear with you? Raise your hand. My dear students, I made a mistake intentionally here. Somewhere else I have made intentionally mistake. You need to run this program and you need to solve that mistake. Okay, you will get what is that mistake. Okay, if you're not clear, then you can send me the screenshot. This program is containing some error. Here it is. This program is containing error. I hope the flow of program is clear to you. I'm not going to run this program. Luxury, I'm not going to run this program until you run that. Okay, I will run and I will show in the next class, but I am not going to run because I did mistake intentionally to know the error. Okay, you have to know the error. You need to solve it and you need to text me. Okay, I will jump to the next. Is there any doubt? Next program on module. Here in your book, he given some code related to the circles and shapes. Some related codes to the circles and shapes. Okay, what he is going to do here? He is going to write a modules. He is going to write a module to find out the area of circumference and area of radius. That is circles. Okay, let us write a code first. Let us write a code first. Okay, the module will be write like this. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಾನ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕೋಡಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ circle.py. ದ ನೇಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. circle.py. The name will be given for a module is circle.py. Here in the circle anta bandaga the pi will be constant in any formulas. Pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3.142 ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ ಆ ಪೈ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ? It will be considered as here. What I am going to do here, I am going to write this as pi is equal to 3.142. Now we need to define a function that is to find out the area of circle. So what I am going to do here, here definition area of circle. What I need to pass? Radius. I need to pass df of radius. Correct it is. So what I need to return? What I need to return? The return value will be like this. Return pi star we have the line like this. We need a much space here to write this program. This code will be definitely once it is asked in an examination. Once it is asked in an examination, luxury. Once it is asked in an examination. So radius double star in the sense to the power 2. Radius will be raised to the power 2 here. So this is what a function. This is what a function 1. This circle py contain one function here. What I need to do now? Next, I will find out the circumferences. Circumferences can be divided. So what I am going to do? Df circumferences. Circumferences I am going to find out. Circumferences. Once again, to find out the circumference, we need a radius. We need to pass the radius once again. So what is the formula for circumferences? What is the formula for circumferences? I'll write here. It will be like 2 into pi r square, I think so, or r, 2 pi r. To find out the circumferences, we are having the formula. We need to return like this. To find out the area of circle, pi r square there. It will be written like this. How it will be written? Return 2 into, instead of pi we are having pi, instead of r we are having radius. Clear it is. The circle is containing two functions now. One variable, the variable will be pi. Define def area to find out the area. The function is going to return in a to find out the area. Next, to find out the circumferences, I am having a one function. I need to write another function. Okay, another function that is a sphere surface. Sphere surface. If I write here, it is visible to you. May not be visible to you. I will write here. I will write here. Simultaneously take down the code. Okay. Take a pen and paper. You need to write it. If it is possible. If it is possible with you people, take a pen and what I need to do find out now. DEF. ಇದು ಎರಡನೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮೂರನೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ DEF def sphere surface this is E sphere surface. What I need to pass here, that is again once again the radius is going to be passed. Why radius, sir? To find out the sphere surface, we are having a formula called that is 4 into 4.0 into area in the bracket radius. That is, we are having a formula 4.0 into area of radius. ಏನಿದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್? ರಿಟರ್ನ್ 4.0, that is a float. It considered as a float. The float into float, what we are going to get? Float into float, the result will be float. Okay, the float. Next, star here area of radius. Area of radius. I think it is visible to you. Area of radius. Clear it is. We have written a module circle.py here. The circle will be considered as a module. This module containing a p into I, that is pi 3.142. First function, this is called as a first function. This module is having the three functions. This is called the first function, f1. What it is doing? What is the work of this one? Definition of area. That is, function is going to calculate the area of a circle. What is the formula of area of circle? Pi into r square. Radius into square. That is, pi r square like this. Pi we cannot define. Pi anna define madak barangilla. R ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. That will be multiplied here, then it will be returned. If this function is called, what will be the return? Circumference will be returned. What is the formula of circumference? 2 into pi into radius. That will be returned if the f2 is called. If the f3 is called, the sphere surface will be returned. What is the formula of sphere surface? That is 4 into area of circle. We are having already area of circle, so I'll pass this one as a function. Okay. So return 4.0 into area of circle. Clear it is, my dear students. Clear it is. I will write one more code here below this one. I am going to call the things. The program in the book is very confusing. We will simply call these three functions. Okay. So what is going on there? So what I am going to do is I will call it as main.py. Okay. So here import. Yes, you know the functionalities. Area is there, circumference is there, sphere of surface is there. You can implement both statement. That is the import statement. Another one is from import statement. I'll just import because all I'm going to pass the all values here. Circle. Just you need to do the one thing, that is print. You need to just pass the values. You are not going to enter any values here. You are going to just pass the values. So print circle dot. If the C is capital, you need to write a C is capital. Okay. If C is small, you need to write a small. Okay. What I want to call area. Area pass as a 2. What this print function is going to do now? As an interpreter, I am going to do it. Print circle dot. In the sense, this circle. Okay, the module is invoking the function. Import ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಆ module invoke ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೈತಿ ಯಾವ function ಅನ್ನ area of 2. The 2 is going to be passed here. That is, the 2 will be passed. What will be the value? 3.142 into 2 raised to 2. That is 4 into 3.142. Math 12.142, I think so. Some other values. Or 12 point something it will be output. What it is going to print? Output will be 12 point something value. 12 point something value. Here it is. Same thing pass with print circle dot circumferences. That is, C should be capital because here I have written as a C capital. So circumference of 3. Circumference of 3. What do you mean by that? Circle ಒಳಗಡೆ circumference ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು 3. That will be passed here. That will be passed here. In the radius have passed. That is 3 into pi. Pi value another 3.4142 into 2. What will be the answer? That will be the determinant. Clear it is? Clear it is? Just I am printing the values by passing these values. Clear it is? Are you going to run the program? Are you going to run the program? The time is over now. The session is going to end. Thank you for attending the class. Is there any doubts? You can message me. Okay. It is your home.